Well, hey everyone, welcome to the office slash studio, and been doing a lot of work up here. Wanted to do a quick update for the channel and let you guys kind of see the progress that we made and what's been going on. And so we have lots of dogs. My wife and I, we breed golden doodles, so I've got all my dogs up here with me tonight. But anyway, just wanted to show you real quick. I finally got the desk finished out, got it stained and polyurethaned and all. Thought it turned out really nice, and I was able to get me a 3-stand monitor, so I'm able to get those monitors up off the counter, and I think it turned out really well. So I'm running 2 LG IPS monitors. Those are 24-inch monitors on the outside, and the one in the center is just a 24-inch HP LCD that I've had for a number of years. It still works great, and so I'm still putting it to use until some point down the road I may put something different in the middle. But it's working out great, and of course I'm a huge Star Wars fan, so Darth Vader is one of my favorite characters. But I just thought maybe I would do a quick video and let you guys kind of see how the office is looking, and kind of talk about my setup a little bit and let you know what I'm currently using. I've had quite a few people that have messaged me through the channel and was curious about as far as what kind of setup and equipment that I use. And so I'll take you through that as far as cameras and mics and lighting and PC setup, and then kind of show you a little bit of some of my other things that I've got in here. And so we'll get started on that, and I'll give you guys a quick tour. Okay, so I'll try to do this without shaking the camera around a whole lot. But start off with, for lighting, these are two LED lights that I'd ordered through Amazon. These are Neewer's, and they have a rechargeable battery pack on them, and ordered these stands as well to go with it. But as you can see, they are adjustable, so I can brighten or dim them as I need to, and then you just push the button there to turn it off. And you can also buy the power adapter and plug these up and have continuous power, but the batteries work great for it, and so I've really enjoyed using those, and they've worked really well for me. So as far as for audio, this is just a pop filter here, but this is just a Blue Ice USB mic. It works great. It's a condenser mic. So I'll probably use this for quite some time until I'm ready to probably upgrade to something that runs more through maybe a processing board that has USB connection in, that I can do a lot more with. But keyboard and mouse here. This is just a Cooler Master Devastator 3 combo set, and so this is LED backlit. It's it's a membrane keyboard, and then this is the mouse that comes with it. I really like the mouse, very comfortable, and I like the keyboard as well. It works great. So we've already talked about the monitors real quick, but they have awesome color and also it's worked out really good. This monitor stand that's on here, it's made by Vivo, V-I-V-O, and it's a triple display stand, and I'll have links to all this in the video description down below. That way, if anybody's looking for anything in particular, you can follow those links down there, and you'll be able to order that stuff through Amazon. And then I've got this extra large mouse pad. This is made by GL Tech, and I really like it. It's made very well. It's got great stitching. It's very comfortable. Order that all the stuff that I've got in here I ordered through Amazon. So some of you may know what this is, but this is a Silhouette vinyl cutter, and so can do some vinyl cutting design work and all on that. So that's what that is there. But the workhorse is down here. If Lance will not be in the way there. Back up, buddy. So this is my current machine. It's running a Ryzen 7 1700, and that has a MSI RX 570 8 gig gaming video card in there. I don't do anything in 4K right now, so everything I do is, you know, high def 1080p, and that card works great. I've done a lot of benchmarking and stuff on this particular system, and it just chews through everything that I throw at it. I've got some I got a Hue Plus in there running some RGB LED lights, and I've got some of the NZXT Hue Plus AER fans. I've got a 120 in the back and a 140 in the top, and I do have a Cooler Master Liquid 240 keeping the processor nice and cool. Got 16 gigs of DDR4 3000 memory in there, and there's Rosie. Say hey, Rosie. And I've got that processor overclocked at 3.925 gigahertz on all 8 cores. So that's 8 core 16 thread processor. At some point I do want to upgrade and go to Threadripper. I do a lot of video editing and content creation, and I could definitely put one of those to use. So that'll probably be my next build that I'll do, will probably be a Threadripper. So real quick for video, this is my primary camera that I use. It's just the good old Logitech C920 HD cam. It works great. I just use it for when I'm working at the PC here and I need to capture face video there. I do also have a Canon Rebel TI that I use, and shoot a lot of stuff on iPhone 7, and that's what I'm shooting this on right here. There's some, I got a lot of well, not a lot, but I got a good bit of Star Wars memorabilia. So that is a pretty good size R2 unit, and it does work and all. And actually that was something that my son had gotten when he was a lot younger, and so I've just added it to my desk here for thought it looked pretty good. So just some more different, of course I'm a big Gamecock fan, live in South Carolina here, and I don't know if some of you may know what that is, but that's an old lava lamp. But you know, once again, this is just that's a 42-inch LED LCD flat screen that used to be down in our family room, and we went out and changed that out to a 4K back last year, and so I put that up here, and it works great for monitor extension. So I use that when I'm doing a lot of stuff on other PC stuff. And there's the man himself, Mr. Vader. So and then this is my reloading bench. I do a lot of ammunition reloads and all here, and so I clean and process all of my brass that I do, and then I have a progressive press and I have a single stage press as well. So haven't really done any video content on that. I may at some point in the future, but that's kind of what that is. And then of course that's over in that corner, there's a mess, just storage. But anyway, that's kind of the setup here currently. And then I've got these shelves that are up here, and I do need to move those down. I need to get those more centered in the middle here. And then real quickly, a couple other things. I installed some lighting along this back edge trim. So, and it's got a remote that goes with it. I did a video product review on this LED lighting. I'll link a card up above, and of course I'll have all this information down in the description below as well. But you know, you pretty much can control and do whatever, you know, whatever colors you want to do in there. So it's works great. I like it. You can program it and do kind of whatever you want to do with it. So I think it was I don't know, about $25. It's for 10 meters, and it goes all the way around, and so I put all that in. So but this whole desk that I've got here, I built it myself and just kind of made it what I need it to be. And then I put a little platform just to keep the PC up off the floor, and I pulled it out today and did its monthly cleaning. Cleaned out the dust filters and just cleaned it up real good and got everything hooked back up. But it's working great on that platform, so I really like it. So, but anyway, this is just a quick review of the current setup. And next thing I'm going to do in here is going to be some painting and stuff. These walls are kind of an earth tone neutral. I'm going to go with some grays in here. I think that'll work pretty good with kind of what I've been working on with my setup and stuff. So, but anyway, if you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Toss me a like. I appreciate that. I've been working on this up here on and off for a good while. Probably, I don't know. I started working on it back last year. So, but it's coming together. So I've just been kind of working on it a little bit at a time, and I do enjoy hunting. So that was my buck I got a couple of years ago. And but anyway, hope you guys have a great evening, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Love for you to follow along with me, and I do appreciate all the feedback that I've been getting from you guys on a lot of my other videos, and so I appreciate that. And this is just something that I enjoy doing, and I like to be able to try to help folks when I can. So if I can help you in any way, just let me know, and hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.